In the heart of the open hills, the culture doesn't just sit still, it dances. From the bright primary colors of her beads to the rhythmic rattle of the shells around her ankles, she is a living melody. It's a bold mix of ancestral pride and modern cool, proving that tradition is loudest when it's out in the world, moving to its own beat.